Is this thing on? No, like for real. Hi guys, it's me Anne and I'm back with another video. In today's video we are going to discuss branding for your YouTube channel. Before I get into that, if you are new here, welcome. If you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you can be alerted every time that I upload a video if you want. So today's video is sponsored by DesignCrowd. DesignCrowd is an online community of graphic designers who can fulfill your needs for your logo, branding, marketing, etc. Now, personally, I have been meaning to get a YouTube banner done and Twitter and Facebook and an intro and outro, but it's just something that is like kind of time consuming, especially if you have to kind of like find a designer on your own or kind of have to go on other websites where you have to go through their portfolios, try and book them, and then sometimes you actually don't end up getting anything. That happened to me late last year, no, the top of this year. I went and I paid for a YouTube intro and stuff like that, and designer like led me on for weeks and weeks until finally the project was canceled, so I never ended up getting a banner. Now, when I was approached by DesignCrowd, I was like, okay, well, I kind of do need these things, so maybe this can work out. So DesignCrowd allowed me a project, and I chose the project to be my YouTube banner, my outro, my intro, and my social media stuff. And I basically, all I had to do was go sign up for their website. I then was led to a place where I would select what I was looking for, the kind of design, and I selected YouTube design. And then from there, I got to kind of write my brief about what it was I was looking for. At that point, I included a logo, my photo, etc. And then I was brought to the next page, which was for payment, where you can select the kind of project you want, your budget, whether you want to open it to have first place or second place design, or if you want it to be a highlighted project. You had so many different options. So from there, when my project went live, different designers started sending me their interpretation of my brief. So I got to see different designs and like pick like, ooh, no, this is not good for my channel. Like, ooh, no, you need to change this color. So it became where I got to see so many different ideas, and I can either accept or reject them, or I can ask for revisions. I can tell them don't even bother sending a revision. It was a whole like kind of great experience of getting a YouTube banner. So then this is what my YouTube banner looks like now, and this is what like my outro looks like, my intro, you know, my social media banners. And it's very important to kind of start branding yourself when you do have a YouTube channel, and that does even start by your channel art. A lot of times if you don't have a banner at all, or you, like me, had a banner that I threw together, it doesn't send the right message sometimes, because eventually you want companies to contact you and know from the jump that, hey, you have to come correct. Don't come offering me only free product or this, that, and the other. And that starts with your brand, your presentation. And visually across the board, I was all over the place, and I'll admit that. So now I have my little Twitter banner, my Facebook, my outro, my intro, and the actual channel art, and I feel like it's a better representation of what I want. And it'll also include like it doesn't include a schedule because it just says like new videos weekly or whatever, but you get where I'm going with this. I will leave the information for DesignCrowd down in my description box if you want to check it out. And they also kind of do websites and things like that. And I know for a fact that design helps a lot, because when I started my website back in 2012, I didn't hire a designer until about 2013, 2014, and that's when things actually picked up because like my banners were clearer, my Instagram posts were better because like I had like more information and things like that. So I highly suggest that if you are looking to start anything, that you do enlist the help of a graphic designer, and it doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. You can definitely find people who are willing to bid within your budget, and that'll definitely help your brand of any kind. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video because it helps a lot, and I will definitely see you guys in another one. Bye.